Hello everyone, welcome back to the CX updates here with me, Roberto, and my friend Austin Hui. And today we'll be talking about a CATHAY 777, the 300ER that flew to Xiamen from Hong Kong this morning. His aircraft took off at 5:26 in the morning local time in HK at third runway and landed at 6:22 a.m. in Xiamen Gaoqi Airport at runway 907 at 6:22 with an actual flight duration time of 56 minutes, grid circle distance of 96 kilometers, and a chop of 250 degrees, and she took her flight number 63820. She's most likely to get her bigger titles in the fuselage. So I'm very happy right now that she's about to get her bigger titles after Babadosh Kilo Quebec Foxtrot and Babadosh Hotel November Quebec, as well as Bravo Lima India Charlie Delta and Bravo Lima Juliet Kilo and November. So for the details of this aircraft, kindly check the previous video about Bravo Kilo Quebec Hotel. So for the details of this aircraft, please check it. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.